In this video, we'll go over the layout of this zone page. So when you log in and you go into a site, so this area up here is what we call the breadcrumb. So you click on here, you see all your location site, and inside the site, you see all these other zones. Each tile represents environmental control zones. So here we got zone and zone name here, got 4 here, and 3 here. We got these blue ones, right? This is a group zone, and there's a video for that. You might see an orange one here. Those are virtual zones. So let me create that real fast. We go here. Okay, when you create a zone, you have to be careful here. I just selected Dallas, so I need to go to Lincoln Hills. Be careful. You have multiple locations. You have to select the right location. Okay, so let's try it again. Pearl virtual zone, add zone. Okay, so let's see how that works. Go back to zones right there. Okay, so that's the virtual zone. All right, what a virtual zone is, you click in, these are just zone that you can just play around with and test. It doesn't affect anything. Okay, so it's just a good way for you to practice. But I'm gonna go back to here. And one of the things you notice, like the tiles, that when you added a zone, it reorder things a bit. So let's say I don't want this. The way to move this around is just grab this zone, right? You grab it, you hold your left click, and you drag it over here. Right, zone 1, zone 2. Put zone 0 over here, and I also know that my active zone is zone 6 that I'm testing. So you kind of move these around, right? The other thing on this page that you want to see is triangle right here. Right? It means the zones are not connected for some reason. Click on the zone 1 here. You look at here, this is the time. Right? This zone was last connected. Right now it's 2:23, so 2 days ago it was last connected. Right now 2:23. So you see that zone's not connected, this zone's not connected. These two zones are connected. You see this dot right here, right? It goes light blue here to dark blue there. That means data is being transferred. And this thing just changed to dark blue, and it's right 4 seconds ago, and then it just right here dark blue, right 0 second ago, so data, and then it just go through the loop. So that's how it's kind of like a heartbeat rhythm. You can see these two zones are very active. These are timed out, probably not connected. Right, so this is how this page works. Oh, one more thing before I go is this time zone is important up here, right? So this is 11:50 Los Angeles time zone. So a lot of the things that you see here, like graphing, stuff like that, it will be referent to this time zone. And there's in the manage zone, there's a place to set this time zone. The other thing, if I press on this, I get the same view, but in a listing. Sometimes you have many zones. This is an easier way to see everything on one page. Versus you go here, you have to scroll up and down, and so on. This is how you manage the zone dashboard.